na kami. Impress na si Senator Lacson. Ako malapit na ma-impress. Can we have a total report here? Because it's all thoroughly connected with what we're trying to do here. Especially for the committee of Senator Lacson, na dapat malaman ano ang total report nito, sino involved, sino nagpasok ng equipment, kaninong truck ang didala dyan, sino ang mga karpinterong ginamit dyan. I'm sure when you conduct an investigation, malalaman natin lahat yan. Hindi ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair. We'll submit the report as soon as possible, Mr. Chair.
Yes, okay, thank you. May we also get a recommendation from you on what else this committee can do by way of, I think I know what to do in terms of China, in terms of getting the Foreign Office as well as law enforcement authorities to really show us a robust intervention para matigil yan, no? But also we need the Coast Guard to really tighten up. We're getting more ships, I understand, on how these goods are coming in. All this is connected to the fact that kung mamamagayan, dadami na naman yung sinasabing patayan na yan, no? So, yun ang gusto natin malaman. By the way, I'd like to thank the Chief Superintendent. Can you please just give us the records? And I commend you for your very upright, very commanding, very direct answers to the question. You might want to teach the IAS representative to talk like you. All right, can we have... let's go take a look at the rest of the charts. Quickly, please, yung record naman doon sa DUI. Hindi, ito indicative lang ito because ang real record... By the way, General, can you give us a copy of the report ng police ngayon sa lahat ng police operations saka sa DUIs? Because I cannot get a copy of that for some reason. All right? And the disposition with IAS. I wanted to finish this today, but even if we can finish this today, I will still need that to fulfill, to create a whole report to show that we need to speed up on IAS. Before I call the police officers, let me ask IAS sandali, no? You think it is possible for you to finish the report? Let's say nagbarilan yung police. All right? Yung police nakabaril ng tao. Makakuha naman yung report kung walang baril. Siyempre, indicative yun na hindi makakalaban yung tao. Violation yun, di ba? Di ba, ate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, hindi mo ko tinitingnan eh. So, pag sinabi mong ganon, right away, in 3 days, you can say, violation of rules of engagement. Pwede ba yan?
No, Your Honor, because we are bound by the rules under MC 2016-002, where we have to comply with due process, Your Honor.
Luma na yan, gas-gas na yan, gas-gas
Your
na.
Honor, but we have to comply with due process, but eventually, if the case will push through with the
Yes,
kind of
I'm a lawyer
system...
like you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, I'm a lawyer like you.
We will be dismissed on the technical rules, Your Honor.
All I'm saying is, yung report niya administratively, but nadi-dismiss nyo kaagad pagka nakita nyo may baril, lumaban. Madali yan, dismiss kaagad yun, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung may lumaban, o kaya nakita nyo walang baril yung kabila, hindi kayo makapag-report kaagad in 36 hours, even 24 hours, or 48 hours?
Your Honor, we have to file cases against them, and
No,
we have...
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about removing a policeman who has not done his job, suspending him, getting his firearm, pending the rest of the investigation.
It is within the authority of the Chief PNP, Your Honor, with
see?
respect to the relief. What
so
we can
much
do
more
is
rules.
only recommendation.
Don't dictate to me the rules. I know it too, you know.
Yes.
I'm just asking you a simple question. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm asking you a simple question. Is it possible? I premise it. Di ba pwede that within 36 hours, 3 days, or 7 days, sasabihin nyo, this policeman to the public has been dismissed, or not dismissed, suspended, pending further investigation. He is confined to quarters like internal affairs is supposed to do. Di ba yan ang trabaho?
Yes, Your Honor.
General, do you have an answer for that?
Your Honor, that will not be under the authority of the IAS, Your Honor. That will be the authority of the superior officer of the or the commanding officer to immediately relieve the concerned PNP
I just want to
officers.
make sure that the relieving authority
Yes.
has the evidence, at least prima facie evidence to show that a crime has been committed. And IAS is the one who is investigating.
Yes, Your Honor.
IAS will investigate ultimately to remove a bad cop, right?
Yes.
Ultimately,
Yes, Your
correct?
Honor.
But
Yes,
for
Your
the
Honor.
relief immediately.
IAS has the authority to suspend the bad cop,
Yes.
ultimately.
With respect to the suspension, we recommend for the suspension, Your Honor.
IAS is a way upon which we can gauge the performance of police forces to defend the public correctly, to handle the public correctly. That is what it's all about. To whether the policemen are not going beyond the pale. That helps the police, that helps the public. But from my standpoint, from the standpoint of the whole world, again, I will reiterate this. Sinasabi sa atin, there is no rule of law in the country. The very fact that we're having hearings here, extended hearings, policemen are here answering questions that could be embarrassing, could be difficult, being confronted by evidence here, shows that there is a rule of law. Kaya, let no Filipino say, there is a rule of law. Mabagal kung minsan ang batas. And that's what we're trying to find out. Paano natin bibilisan, mawawala yung agam-agam na binaviolate ng tao, yung karapatang pantao. Yun ang pakay natin dito. Hindi para sabihin na kayo ay masasamang tao. Kaya sabi lang namin, tinatanong ko sa iyo, and do not, sometimes it's an attitude problem, It's simple. I created plebs. He can be dismissed by plebs, he can be suspended by plebs. That's one of our recommendations. I'm asking from the standpoint of IAS, di ba masama kaagad sasabihin ng spokesman ng police, right now, today, we investigated the killing, and this policeman has been suspended because he did not follow the rules of engagement. Or he violated all the rules, the Miranda Doctrine, violating all training, violating constitutional procedures. Yun ang sinasabi ko. Magpagwapo naman kayo na nakikita nyo, maayos ang trabaho ninyo. I'm not going to be a spokesman for the police force. I'm trying here to find out what's going on. So, that is possible. Would you cry foul if we say, IAS has 3 days, or the police chief or the commander has 3 days upon which to suspend right away, based on what happened on an altercation, 3 days suspension, err on the side of justice. General?
Yes, those people involved can be immediately relieved from their post and
That's
be
correct.
placed on preventive
And
custody.
we add, it must be announced to the public.
Just like what we did in Pasay and the two
That's
cases
correct.
in Pasay, sir.
I commended, the committee commended, and I was very happy about the presentation of your chief superintendent here. And that's precisely what the public wants to be assured of.
Yes,
They want to be assured that there's an attempt, there's a cogent effort to get justice done. Masama kung wala. That's why we're very transparent here. Wala akong sinuspend dito, tuloy-tuloy ang hearing natin. Kaya dapat, ang lalabas sa recommendation namin dito, within 3 days, kung may nagbarilan at nakita na wala sa lugar yung pagbaril, may anunsyo, dismiss yung kaso, suspendido yung police. Masama ang ginawa niya, or tanggal siya outright because pinatay niya, walang kalaban-laban, nakaluhod na, sumusuko na, pinatay niya, dismiss. Ganun na sinasabi ko. Ganun ang gusto namin mangyari. Nagpapaalam kami sa inyo, okay ba sa inyo yung 3 days?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yun lang. Makasimple lang. Maaray ka na, hindi pa sinuturukan. Now, let's now go to the, let me just finish this para matapos tayo. Kasi I don't want the police, kanina pa yan eh. Hinihintay kita kanina eh, pero eto lang, no? DUI. Let's go to Bulacan. Is Bulacan here? Please come forward. Sunod-sunod dito, bilisan na natin dahil nagpunta rin lamang kayo dito, sayang ba? Makita naman kayo ng mga pamilya nyo sa television na magaling sumagot, katulad ni Chief Superintendent Colonel. magiging Chief Superintendent General. Abogado ba? Kaya pala eh. Thank you. Go ahead.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding?
Okay, sabay na natin. Cebu ba nandito? Yes, please come forward. Para mabilis. You don't have to wait. Baka kami nangyayari doon sa bayan ninyo. Go ahead, please.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Oh, thank you.
Yes, go ahead. You may sit here up front. Para mas maganda ang labas sa TV. Para hindi magkakamali na ikaw si General Bato. Alright. And we'll call also, para mas mabilis na, Quezon City, General Eliazar, Superintendent Guillermo Eliazar, please come forward. And also, Kalmasan, Caloocan, dito may mga lumalabas sa dyaryo na masasakit na nangyayari dyan, ha? Ronald Lee, Pangasinan, Magkantoy, Darsin, Paspas, right here, please, in front. Will the pages please pick up the chairs so that, ground officers kayo. Dito na ho kayo, dyan ho kayo. Ayan, sige, para mas marami. Para lalapit na lang kayo sa camera para makikita. Okay, Comsec, please execute the oath. Uy, the late General Hunasan is here. I'm sorry.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly...
We're happy to have Senator Hunasan here. Can lend his expertise to the hearing. Go ahead, please.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding? Thank you.
Thank you. Let me on record that the officials that have called here from the different departments, from Bulacan, from Cebu, from Pangasinan, and from Bulacan, are in front of us. And I'll add another one para lima na kayo dyan. Caloocan, is he there already? Okay, and Rizal, Adriano Enong. Rizal. Okay, ito pinapakita ko sa inyo. Sige na.
From Rizal.
Double time, please. Mang Enong. Mr. Colonel Enong. Mang Enong tuloy na sabi ko. First time.
Right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in the proceeding?
All right. Thank you. Okay. Before you is I'm sure you have your own more accurate. This is just one called by the staff from the media, my staff from the media reports. I'm sure katulad ni Colonel, ni General, ni Colonel, mas mataas yun sa inyo dyan. Ano po? Halimbawa po sa Bulacan, pangalawa ko kayo sa pinakamataas. Ano po? Si ba yan? Superintendent? Police Superintendent Karamat.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Senior Superintendent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You have here, ilan ang namatay sa inyo sa police operations?
Sir, from July 1 to October 11, a total of 161 drug personalities that were killed in a legitimate encounter, sir.
161 killed, police operations.
Yes, sir.
DUI po?
For DUI, a total, for the period covered from July 1 to October 11, a total of 172 death under investigation, Your Honor.
Ilan ho? Ilan? Sorry?
172.
172.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo. Mas mababa ho kami di Amak. Kaya ko ho pinapakita sa inyo ito. Ito ho, staff ho ng Senado ang gumawa nito. Pero sa inyo, mas mataas. Sa makatuwid, nagsasabi kayo ng totoo. Kayo ang naglalagay niyan eh. Kami, ito lang nakalap po namin, no? Pero makikita nyo, kung kayo ay pangkaraniwan mamamayan, lahat ng kapulisan hanggang sa likod, kung kayo ay pangkaraniwan mamamayan, at maraming namamatay, hindi nila malalaman kung sino ang primary